What's up, guys? Haven't made a video in a while. It's been a minute. I've just been busy with life, but taking out the Yz250. Recently got the freight train kit from BeRad with the Electron, the Boysen reeds, the Apex XC head and dome, and a funnel web spider air filter. Running 32-to-1. Got a heavyweight flywheel. Yeah, just some basic mods to make this bike run great. But it's first time testing it out. I already fouled a plug today. Oh, well, previously fouled plug. Didn't feel like changing it out when I did the kit. But should be a good day. Keep you guys in the loop. Alright guys, just another day. Gonna go out, have some fun. Oh, we'll test out this freight train kit. Which one should I hit? Whoa! Okay, that's gonna take some getting used to. The power band hits different. Like, big different. Whoa, shit. Oh, in my butt. Oh, going down a rock. Oh, went in my butt. That hurt. Not fun. Ow! That hurted a lot. Those are evil. Well, given my 5-minute review, definitely say it's a big learning curve. For anybody thinking they're going to be able to hop on their bike after this and ride it like they used to, absolutely wrong. The bike feels totally different. The power is way more aggressive. The old kit, literally, this is jumping from a stock YZ practically. Yeah, I had a flywheel weight and a few other miscellaneous things, but it's a lot more poppy. It's a lot more aggressive in the low end, and it will chug a lot harder. So I'm already feeling it a little bit more. I'm holding on a little tighter. But yeah. Oh, I like that. This thing just slugs. I'm not used to hearing two strokes like this. It's crazy on how, like, they just, like, this thing bogs. Like, what? It's a Yz250. Oh, going down. There's a stump right there. Ready? Boom! I like this lever a lot. Alright, well, we'll give that another shot. There we go. Alright, guys. Well, on hot days like this, you definitely got stuff like this coming out on the trail. Hey, buddy. I know, yeah, you're a little upset with me now. I'm sorry. Just, yeah. Well, it's good to keep going up this way. I've never been up this way before, so it's fun to explore. Mind gear? No. so nice. All right, more rocks. Whoa. All right. Well. All right, I need to set up for this. That's kind of gnarly. Whoa. Well, and going down. Well, so I kind of want. All right, that's gnarly, and it gets gnarlier. Woo! This is sick. Not looking forward to coming down this. Okay. Whoa! What's further up this way? That's... oh, that's gonna move if I get on that. That's... up. Oh. It gets worse. Much. Turned around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Off the bike. Woo. Going a little quick into that. Ooh. Yeah. And taster. That works. Reset. Ooh, hit my knee on my peg. That didn't feel good. Whoa. There goes that guy. Helps him change his tube. Whoop. Not exactly how I wanted to do that, but that happens. Kind of in a hard situation. Oh, jingle no. Woo. Okay. That didn't work out as well as I wanted it to. Well, I wasn't recording, but went up to that. More stuff that way. Forgot to hit the record button. Yeah. It's super sandy. Fun though. Ooh, stick! Oh my, yes! I wonder how long that's been doing that for. This Electron's so fuel efficient, it's crazy. Ooh, it's warm. Wow. Well guys, fun. Dang it. I like this bike. Does it want to try to kill me every time I ride it? Absolutely. I will say, this entire setup, absolutely get it if you want more out of your bike and are trying to improve your riding capabilities. This is not for the average consumer, the guy who just bought their brand new Yz250, is fresh to the game. This will scare you away from riding dirt bikes. It scares me a little bit. It's definitely, well, this is my first couple hours with this setup, so obviously I got to get comfortable with it. First time I ever got this bike, I crashed it 5 times. So definitely a learning curve, but 10 out of 10, love this kit. This is great. I love it. Definitely needs a little bit more tuning for my riding style, but this is great. I love this kit.